In South Africa, just over 470,000 new cars were sold in 2019. How many of these were electric? Well, please watch our video to find out and let us know in the comments if you are thinking of buying an electric car anytime soon. So just how many EVs have been sold? The answer, not many. In fact, since 2015, only 1,119 plug-in electric vehicles have been sold in South Africa by the end of 2019. This is according to the State Electric Vehicles in South Africa report by Uyilo. South Africa's Uyilo Electric Mobility Program, a multi-stakeholder collaborative program focused on enabling, facilitating, and mobilizing electric mobility in South Africa. So that means the total of sales of electric vehicles since 2015 came to about 0.2% of the average annual vehicle sales. Of the 1,119 plug-in vehicles sold so far in South Africa, it's interesting to see that the sales were practically evenly split between battery electric vehicles, BEVs, and plug-in hybrids, PHEVs. 545 of these were BEVs and 574 were PHEVs. BMW i3, which has been the only full electric model that has been consistently available since 2015, and it tops the sales charts with 405 units sold since 2015. The Jaguar I-Pace has sold an impressive 46 units since its launch in South Africa in 2019. Those are decent figures for a BEV that retails for over 1.7 million rand, which is about $91,000. On the hybrid vehicle side, BMW also tops the charts with the i8 Roadster with 295 units sold despite its 2.4 million rand price tag, which is about $130,000. South Africa's love for BMWs could be an advantage for the new BMW X5 xDrive 45e that comes with a 24 kilowatt-hour battery pack, giving an all-electric range of about 80 kilometers. This is very impressive for an SUV of its size. It has already sold 31 units since launch late last year and could potentially be a game changer in the South African EV space due to its impressive all-electric range. South Africa's imposed punitive duties and taxes on important EVs have contributed to the relatively low sales, says Uyilo. Low sale volumes for EVs in South Africa are a reflection on the custom tariffs imposed. Petrol and diesel vehicles from the EU have a customs duty of 18%, while for electric vehicles it is 25%. Then there is the ad valorem customs, excise duties, and VAT. Despite such a slow start, there are plenty of reasons to be optimistic. We believe 2020 will be a turning point and will see a growth in electric vehicle sales figures due to the following. More BEVs coming to SA in 2020 and 2021. Several full electric vehicles are coming to SA soon, including the Audi e-tron, Mercedes EQC, the new 40 kilowatt-hour Nissan Leaf, along with the 62 kilowatt-hour Nissan Leaf E+, the Opel Corsa E hopefully, and the new Mini E. Sadly, nothing yet though from Elon and Tesla on when we will see the Sexy Plus Cyberlink lineup in this part of the world. 2. South Africa's growing public charging network. There are now 214 public chargers in South Africa, and the network is growing all the time. These charging stations are starting to pop up everywhere, from shopping malls to airports and, most importantly, along the major highways. This will certainly bring in the next tier of buyers. So we are really optimistic that as more cheaper and longer range electric vehicles come to South Africa with pricing of about 500,000 rand and below, sales will grow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our merch. The link will be in the description. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.